chick, you can book with me if you wanted to. These expensive, these is passports, international shoes. Hit the resorts, I can stay at both. I don't wanna choose, and I'm quick to switch my room up, so don't get comfortable. Look, I don't gotta work, I make travel moves. No 9 to 5, I make. Hey guys, welcome back to MomBossMayo. So I just got a package in the mail. The kids done rambled it up thinking it's something for them. Like, no, it's something for me. And if I think it is what I think it is, I'm so excited because it's going to make all my videos be a little more brighter. In case you guys are saying her videos are a little dim, she needs to brighten it up in there. It's okay, I'm just beginning, but I'm going to get better. So back into the video. So this is the box. Like I said, you see it's already open because they done already tried to open it. Like, I'm like, no, that's for me. Yes. Element lights. Essential lighting for social media. I've been waiting on this for months. Corona happened. Yeah, Shallow even excited. Yay, like mom's ring light came. Yay. Yeah. Yeah. Oh no, baby, let's open it. Okay, am I gonna be able to open this with one hand, or am I gonna have to set the tripod down? Let's see, man. Let's see. Let's see. Okay. Mommy may need to just sit it down. Oh yeah, get excited. Okay, mommy just may have to sit it down real quick. Wow, I get something to open it up with. Okay. We got it. We got it. We got the user's manual. Woo-hoo. I'm excited. Yeah, Shallow is excited. We got the tripod stand. We're going to take all that out in just a minute. Take that out. Yeah, y'all, like, she was super excited. She didn't even unbox this at the table at her YouTube. Nope, sure did not. That's how excited I was. Like, look at it, y'all. Wait a minute. What else we got? Wait a minute. I'm coming. I'm gonna show y'all. Don't get excited. Don't get too excited. Oh, yeah. This is the part for to hold my cell phone. Yeah, so I'm about to do some. I'm redoing my bathroom, remember? So I have something to redo. This is something else to hold the phone. And what else is in here? The remote, the clicker. I like my nails. Yes. I haven't had my nails done in 5 months. I got them done quarantine style. Mask on, through plastic, through glass. Anything I needed to do to get them done, I was willing. And came right back into my baby. Okay. For makeup and live stream beauty ring. But of course, you know we're going to use this for everything. Yeah, Shallow is so excited. Yes. Yeah, mommy finna slide you up a little bit. I'm sliding there. Yeah. You're like, I don't care, mommy. As long as I'm in here with you, I don't care, mommy. Okay, so let's pull the ring light out. Okay, let's see. Ooh, it's what I thought it was gonna be. Poppers. Get that to the kids. Yes. So I'm gonna set this bad boy up and show you guys before I use it to build my thing that I'm gonna put in my bathroom saver. Cause I have a small bathroom, the kids have an extra large bathroom, so I need to, and I have a lot of stuff, you guys know. So as you can see, I have thoroughly cleaned the bathroom, the mirror and everything, and I am about to organize down here in just a few, and I'm going to have the finishing video. So can't wait to show you guys. Mayo out.
5 seconds later.
So guys, I'm back. I decided to let you guys see me actually trying to put this ring light together because it's a little complicated. So this is a tripod. I've locked this into place. Oh, blooper. Lock that into place. I guess I've set it down, and clearly it's not right. Because if it was right, that is not how that's supposed to be. Like, that's how it goes. Like that, I think. then like this. And then it says, and that's already on there. Where is it? It's already on there. This is the attachment. This here. Messing it up. So we're almost getting it together. Supposed to be like what, man? You the YouTuber. Janelle, turn it down.
She doing a video. No. Oh, look at Janelle. She wants to show you a video.
Oh, let's see.
That's right. On the screen. On the Hold on.
Jabria, are you smart?
Yeah.
Where does God live?
On the screen.
On the streets. Ryan, are you smart?
Look how much you did my brain.
What
That's
animal has
all, baby girl. My
legs? Good job. Houston, are you smart?
Yeah.
Where does the president live? In
Are you smart? Yeah! Where does God live? On the
Mickey Mouse. What? Jabria, are you smart? Where does God live?
Look, Journey, don't somewhere right here. Don't just go right here.
Your whole phone supposed to go right there in the first place. I'm gonna go.
Okay, how you cut this bad boy on? What is the power button? Do we need battery? Hi, shy man. Come on. Yeah. Yeah. Mommy, almost done. Okay. Warm. Wow, it's on, guys. And they have different settings. You can warm the light up, make it a little softer. Warm there. Make it brighter, I mean. This is warm light. Has 10 different brightness levels. So I am excited to use this with my GoPro. Putting together my bathroom thing. So, if you like this video and like more unboxing videos, because I am always ordering something because I like to try things. Especially you guys give great advice on things to help your channels be better. So I want everyone to subscribe to my channel and really like my channel. So I'm going to do what I need to do to make you guys like my channel. Thank you. Mayo out.